So if you guys like math, you're really going to like today's read aloud. It's called If You Were an Even Number. Have you ever heard of that before? An even number? So there's a lot of different kinds of numbers, but two ways to categorize numbers are even and odd. We can talk about that a little bit more after. If you were an even number, you could make a romantic meal for two with 4 candles, 8 pieces of pizza, 12 roses, and 24 pieces of chocolate. So all those numbers are even numbers. If you were an even number, you would be divisible by 2. You would never have a remainder. A group of 8 animals wanted to board the roller coaster. The ride had 4 cars. The 2 mice took the first car. The 2 birds took the second car. The 3 bears took the third car. The 2 cats took the fourth car. Did I say 3 bears? The 2 bears took the third car. Anywho, the 8 animals were evenly divided into 4 cars. Both 8 and 4 are even numbers. No one got left out. So are you starting to get it? If it's an even number, everybody has a partner. If there's an odd number, there's one person without a partner. So you can see that there are 8 animals riding on this roller coaster. What if there was one more? 9. And only 2 animals could fit per car. What would that 9th person? Where would they go? They'd have to sit in their own roller coaster car all by themselves. We call that a remainder. That means that one was remaining that didn't get to have a partner. So odd numbers have remainders. And when you're an odd number, you don't have a partner. If you were an even number, your last digit would be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The leaping lizards played with 10 jacks. The funny frogs played with 26 marbles. The puzzled penguins played with a deck of 52 cards. Go fish. So a digit is a number, and it says the last digit. So the last digit in this one is 0. The last digit in this one is 6. The last digit in this one is 2. And when your last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, everybody has a partner. But if you're 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, you're going to have a remainder. If you were an even number, you would be between 2 odd numbers. You would be every other counting number on a number line, starting with 2. Mrs. Rabbit asked the class to match the pictures on the board to the even numbers on the number line. Would you be able to do that? Do you see 2? Oh, there's the 2. 2 rabbits. Where's the 4? Who do they have 4 of? 4 dogs. What about 6? 6 ladybugs. Look, in all of these, everyone has a partner. And let's see, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't see a 10. Maybe that's on another chalkboard. If you were an even number, you could add another even number to yourself. You would always get another even number. The dog chased 2 balls. Then he chased 4 more balls. The dizzy dog chased 6 balls. Even number plus even number equals even number. That's the rule. Even number plus even number equals even number. That's the rule. The cat climbed 8 branches. Then he climbed 10 more branches. The crazy cat climbed 18 branches. I think he has regrets. That's a bit high. If you were an even number, you could be an instrument and make beautiful music. Marvin tapped 2 drumsticks. Mary plucked 6 strings on a guitar. Milt played 88 keys on a piano. Melanie sang 8 sassy songs. The 4 monkeys rocked the house. If you were an even number, you could cheer at a football game. Say it loud. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Even numbers, even numbers. Yay, even numbers. You guys heard that chant before? You didn't know. The chant was all even numbers. Now you do. If you were an even number, you would stand on 2 feet, 4 feet, or 8 feet. You wouldn't stand on 1 foot because that's odd. The 8-footed spider helped the 2-footed penguin and the 4-footed polar bear pack to go and visit their friend, the flamingo. How many legs do you have? Is it even or odd? If you were an even number, you could go to a twins' picnic. 2 by 2, all of the animals came to the twins' picnic. 2 pigs cooked 12 hot dogs, 10 hamburgers, and 22 ears of corn. You would be too cool for words if you were an even number. Fun with even numbers. What does it say? Gather as many pennies as you can find and answer the questions below. How many pennies did you collect in all? Is it an even number? Count the pennies by 2. See how high you can count. Are there any pennies left over? Put all of the pennies in a cup. Toss the pennies on the floor. How many pennies have heads showing? Is it an even number? Now do the same thing counting tails. Here's the last one. See if you can stack the pennies without them falling over. Count them as you stack them. How many pennies can you stack before they fall over? Was it an even number? That seems kind of fun.